Community helpers with their tools. Postman. Greengrocer. Milkman. Nurse. Pilot. Write the first letter of their names. Number name 4. 4.
Trace and write the number name.
Community helpers with their tools. Florist. Carpenter. Baker. Mason. Soldier. Write the first letter of their names. There are 5 vowels in English, those are as below. A, I, O, U. Find the vowels and circle them. Two-letter word. Am. At. An. Is. He. To. By.
Trace the letters.
Number name 5. 5.
Trace and write the number name.
The family.
Is the father short and stout? This is the mother with the children about. This is the brother doll you see. This is the sister with the dolly on her knee. This is the baby still to grow. Here is the family all in a row.
Number name 6. 6.
Trace and write the number name.
Days of the week. Monday alone. Tuesday together. Wednesday we talk. When it's fine weather. Thursday we laugh. Friday we pray. Saturday s hours seen, almost to fly, but of all the days, we will call Sunday the rest day. The best day of all. There are 7 days in the week order of the days of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Wednesday is the third day oof the week. Thursday is the fourth day oof the week. Friday is the fifth day oof the week. Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Sunday is the seventh day of the week. Trace the days of the week. The man and the cat.
One day, a man was walking by a road when he heard a cat meowing from the bushes nearby. The cat was stuck and needed help getting out. When the man reached out, the cat got scared and scratched the man. The man screamed in pain, but didn't back down. He tried again and again, even as the cat continued to scratch his hands. Another passerby saw this and said, "Just let it be. The cat will find a way to come out later." The man didn't pay heed, but tried until he helped the cat. Once he let the cat free, he told the other man, "The cat is an animal, and its instincts make him scratch and attack. I am a human and my instincts make me compassionate and kind." Moral: treat everyone around you like you want to be treated. Adhere to your own rules or ethics, not theirs.
Months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Trace and write.